Wagwan KK squad, it's your girl Kurly Krissy. Welcome back or welcome to my channel. So as you can see by the title, I'm gonna be doing a natural hairstyle, a protective hairstyle for natural hair growth. So first I'm gonna start on freshly washed hair, and I'm gonna part a circle in the center. That circle is very important, but we're not gonna use it right now. You're just gonna part it, twist it, and just take it out the way for now. So next I'll be parting a rectangle in the front of my hair, and that rectangle is for two little cute twists that you'll be seeing with this hairstyle. We're not gonna be doing the twist right now. We're just gonna be taking that part out the way until I finish this hairstyle. So for the products, I'll be using the ORS olive oil moisturizing hair lotion, and also I'll be using the Africa's Best Ultimate Herbal oil. And right about now, we're gonna get started with this hairstyle. I'm just gonna show you how I part my hair to do these braids, and the parting is very important. That's how you're going to get the braids to go the direction and to have the shape it has. It all starts from the part, so you have to watch carefully how I part the hair just so you can get this exact look. So the key to parting the hair for these braids is just make sure that you're parting towards that circle that you parted in the middle of your head. Make sure each braids are going that direction, connecting to the circle that's in the center of your head. That's the main reason for the circle, so all the braids can just meet up together without any issues, anyone leaving behind. So yeah, that's the purpose for that circle. So for the people who are watching this video and you don't know how to braid, I have videos showing how step by step to braid, and I'm gonna have more up close clips coming after this braid showing you guys exactly what I'm doing. It will be more up close for you guys to see. Like I said, I have more videos showing step by step how to braid, and I'll leave those videos in the cards or the description box. Also, this clip is in real time just so you guys can see exactly what I'm doing. So at the end of each braid, I'm gonna be twisting the end of the hair just so my bun can look cute and fluffy with the twist. The twist will give it a more bigger look than the plaits. So the next two braids after the one that I just did, it's gonna be the same thing, the same parting, the same direction. Just those three braids will be the same.
not a game, it's a rich thing.
I did the same braids, the same parting for the next side, as you can see. Alright, KK squad, so that little part now that left in the middle that you see right there, we're gonna do all those braids going straight back. All of those braids are just gonna be straight back braids, so you're just gonna part the hair going straight towards that little circle thing, that little circle part that's in the center. I'm gonna take those braids out the way and we're gonna get started on the back. So I know the back braiding upwards can be difficult for a lot of people, but I am going to make sure zoom right up right in so you guys can see the direction that I turn my hand to braid the hair going upwards. I'm gonna put it in not slow motion but in real time so you guys can see exactly what I'm doing right now. By the way, this is not my first time doing this hairstyle. I have another video on my channel that I did with this same hairstyle, but they were smaller and neater braids. I will leave the link in the card and also in the description box. You guys can go check that though. That was very detailed as well. Suppose me fi tell you no say the two big braids on the side and the two small braids in the middle are accident. I never planned to do that. I never planned to have two big braids and two small braids. When I done and look in at the back of my head and see the style, me say watch here. You know, see me make style. No sir. So anyways, that little circle thing in the middle of your head that you parted out, you're gonna twist those. You're gonna do like big twists. Just do some big twists with that piece in the middle. Alright, so now this is the part where we're gonna put everything up in a ponytail. We're gonna put it up in one, and now we're gonna make our cute little bun with our fluffy twists. And you're gonna see the reason for the twist instead of a plait, how cute my bun is gonna be. Look at my bun. Anyways, next we're gonna get started on the 2 little twists in the front. That's simple and easy. Simple and easy thing that.
It's not a game, it's a rich thing.
So in the next clip, I added 2 gold clips on the twist, and I also did my baby hair off camera. I have a million videos showing you guys how I do my baby hair. I do it in almost every video, so you can go check that out. And this is the final look. Let me know down in the comment section your thought. Let me know what you think about this hairstyle. Thank you so much for watching, for the support. Please remember to subscribe, comment, and share. Stay tuned for my next upload. Bye.